Welcome to my channel once again. And this channel is for homeowners who might have tried to list their homes in 2024 or even 2025. While I'm filming this video, I'm in May 2025, and I've seen a lot of homeowners listing homes with no success on the market. Hi guys, my name is Danny Sai, and I am a real estate strategist and a real estate investor. I'm not going to give you any uh, advices over here. It's up to you what you do moving forward after watching this video. But I wanted to say that a lot of agents, a lot of real estate agents don't tell you the solution when your house is not sold after listing on the MLS. Have you felt like, what's my agent doing? Like, he hasn't contacted me after getting the listing. Have you ever received a text saying, drop the price? Yeah, sure. It's easy said, drop the price. But if you owe your lenders, whether it's on the first mortgage, on the second mortgage, on the private mortgage, to drop the price and you can't afford it, what's the way out? What is the solution? Well, no realtor will tell you that. They probably will throw you towards a friend who does mortgages, and the friend probably can't even help you out. So, you know, it's a worse silence. And that's where a lot of homeowners are stuck because they refinance their homes very fast in the last 2, 3 years, and they have high payments. So are they able to drop the price? And the answer is no, they aren't, right? So high interest rate is one of the things that I'm seeing a lot of homeowners being hit by. I'm seeing the homes, need work, and they need upgrades. And let's face it, a lot of people are living day to day. It's not easy. The jobs are not being created in North America that fast. We have AI hitting us, and that is another problem moving forward, right? And it's just inflation as well, and prices have just gone up with this trade war and with a lot of tariffs. So we are seeing a lot of complexities in the market, whether it's real estate or not in general. We are seeing this, right? Now, I I came across uh, some listings on the MLS that, say deferred maintenance, investor special, handyman special. Now, these houses they need work. And face it, a real estate consumer who's buying this house for a family of his with children, does he have the time to do this work? And the answer again is no. And these are the things that are not being told to homeowners before listing. It's a hit and miss situation. And who's the target? Who gets benefited at the end? It's for you to answer, not for me. So uh, if you're sitting on this house looking for a solution, you should watch more of my videos. And you can comment below. You can ask me questions. I have also dropped my website up here, which is a simple form. You just fill it up. Uh, we do serve areas from British Columbia, Canada, Washington State in the US, and Texas State in the US. I will mention some cities that we serve. We serve Lower Mainland in Canada. We serve Vancouver. We serve Burnaby. We serve Port Moody areas, as well as we serve Bellingham area, Tacoma area, and Hoquiam area in Washington. We do serve, areas nearby Plano in Texas. We do serve Dallas, Fort Worth. We do serve Grand Prairie. We do serve Waco. We do serve Arlington. These are some areas that we serve just for you to get information. And if you think that, we can help you out, do subscribe, do comment, do share this video. Now, why traditional selling doesn't work is, I've explained it briefly, but it also doesn't work for homeowners who have notice of defaults or who have certificate of pending litigation, which is used in Canada, uh, who have received, who are behind the payments for 2 or 3 months. Uh, it doesn't serve them because it's not a exit solution. It is a wait and watch solution on the MLS market. And this is why I'm trying to create this awareness to educate you guys what you should be doing next or what you should be thinking about next, right? So, again, inherited properties with a tax lien uh, or unpaid taxes in North America, it doesn't serve you because anything that you have a deadline on, it doesn't serve you to call a real estate agent and list your home on the market. So I hope I've made that super clear to you guys. Now, real estate solutions do exist. They have to be uh, created. They have to be creative. The guy or girl or the company, whoever does this job for you, has to be creative. It's custom made, really. The right word is custom made. And it has to be an off-market specialist who has a solution and who has done this for a long time. Now, you don't have to renovate, you don't have to stage, you don't have to wait for months. That's the advantage you have working with companies like us, investors like us, uh, if you trust them. Uh, you know, People work with people who they trust. And I would do the same. I did the same once upon a time. And that's what I would do moving forward. We've helped homeowners in a lot of different situations that I can think of. We have helped homeowners behind taxes. We have helped homeowners who have a pre-foreclosure. We have helped homeowners who have a certificate of pending litigation filed on them. We have helped people even in unsafe homes to move out and taking over their home for them. So this isn't a pitch. I think, a lot of YouTube videos, you'll see people pitching you. I'm not here to pitch you. I'm here, to educate you. And I want to treat you like a human being, just like I am. And I'm not, trying to pitch you guys anything. Now, I also want to say this, that when people are in need, we usually in this world don't see people coming forward with a solution. And that's the biggest problem in real estate. People don't come forward to make solutions for you. People come forward to tell you that drop the price, we can't help, go to another lender, go to another bank. And these solutions already might have been taken care. You might have already called these lenders. You might have already called mortgage brokers. You must have already tried to solve the solution by yourself, which is obvious, but yet, it's not working. And that's where I come in. I don't, I don't want you to be alone. I've been in this path. It's a very painful path. Uh, and that's the reason I sincerely work with my open heart to see if I can help people to make this world a better place. Uh, you just need to, find the right strategy. If you find the right strategy, boom, you've hit the jackpot because now you have a strategy, and with that strategy, you can move forward or look forward to move forward, right? So reach out, if you want a second opinion at no extra cost. I don't charge uh, for my 15 minutes calls. They're absolutely free. And if you think somebody in need of this solution is around you, it might be in your workspace, it might be your neighbor, it might be somebody you know, it might be family. Please do share this video, do subscribe to the video. It's going to help me out a lot because people who need the solution can't find it, and you could be the savior, right? So please, if you want to be the savior of your friend, your family, please do subscribe, please do share this video, and it's going to help them out a lot because nobody should have to carry this burden on them, and every burden can be fixed. That's what I'm here to encourage you guys and help you guys out. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.